So the needle threader on the Brother F560, very easy to follow. You got your numbers on here, and you got your dotted lines for when we're doing the bobbin winder, or your solid lines for when we're doing the sewing. So we're going to go up, round, and we're going to come down across the top through your take up lever. And as we get onto your needle threader itself, you'll see there you've got a number 5, then a number 6. So the number 6 gets tucked behind there. Put the needle threader up to the top. There we go. You've got a number 7 on there. And then number 8 is the cutter around the side. So we're going to make sure we go into the grooves, into here. And then we're going to cut down the side just there. So once we've got it all teed up, ready to go, all we need to do is pull the lever down here. And to make it a little bit easier, we'll drop the foot. That's going to put a bit of tension in. And all we're going to do is pull that down. And there is your threader threaded for sewing. There you go.